So you want to shoot music videos? Alright, let's go. First, let's talk about the pre-production and planning that went into this music video.
I just wanted to mention how important it can be to write down your ideas, create a bit of a shot list so that you don't mess up, have something you can stick to. Just in case you get lost, it does get a bit hectic on the music video sets, so just something to keep in mind. Next up, we're going to be going over some of the music video angles that I like to use, and make sure I have a nice diversity of shots.
And shout out to Curdy Buff, helping shoot the behind the scenes. We're gonna be shooting some TikTok, helping him out with some content, so you guys will see some of that as well. We're about to start heading over, so alright.
East Sac, baby, if you've been watching for a minute, you know the vibe.
Crazy.
Back at it again. Let me see that. You got the fake blood. We're gonna be doing a scene here at the end. Good old Mather Air Force Base. It's like abandoned. It's pretty dope.
I forgot what this is called, but this is what we're going to use to power it. And so, yeah. Oh, here, watch out. Alright, here we are. We got this little light set up. I actually need to bring that up over there. And then we got this thunder setting. Going crazy.
So when I'm shooting all my scenes, I basically try and always have a mixture of, we want to get a good mixture of the three so we can transition back and forth like this, so we can get a lot of different life and style to the video. So we have some of the mid-range shots, some of the far away shots, and then we should cut up to a close-up, yeah? And so I try and do all my scenes this way, every location, just to try and give it more life and more feature. And I usually try and film the song all the way through in the different shots like this. After, I try and get shots of the locations and like close-ups of the artist, just to get what we call as B-roll and just like the vibe of the location. At the time of creating this video, I realized there's so much more I can teach you guys. It's really about getting out there and just creating, looking up, starting to research like the emotion of lighting, camera angles. You know, I try and keep it pretty low so the artist feels or looks more powerful on camera. And then, you know, I can try and get these mid-range shots as well. Feel free to experiment and stuff, but I always try and maintain to get those original scenes so that I don't mess anything up, because there's been plenty of times where I went into the editing process and I just didn't have the shots that I needed because I got too excited or I was going with the emotion of the song.
Alright guys, so we did not record half of the stuff that we wanted to, so we'll try and do a voiceover for that for sure. And but that's a wrap. We shot with East Sac, baby. Definitely check out Curdy Bo's vlog. He's gonna have the other half of the footage and stuff. We shot his video, we shot East Sac Baby's video, we shot a bunch of TikTok content. I shot a little infomercial, kind of commercial for the brand, but I forgot to make a tutorial for you guys, so I'll definitely try and do that next time. We'll do a little bit like I said this time, but if you have any questions, any concerns, definitely let me know down below. Appreciate you guys, and yo.
And as a final message, one thing that I've learned is that things never go as according to plan, but we always learn a little bit more and more every time we do go out and shoot. So definitely do not be afraid to get out and shoot. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. And if there's anything else I can help you guys with, leave a comment down below. Anything that I missed out on, let me know what's up. Alright, peace.